important it is to wait?
To wait? Oo nga na. Good question.
Personally, I think it's
How
important.
important?
Waiting for what exactly?
In the perspective, love.
Ako true love.
Mm-mm.
True love. Yeah, I think kasi if madaliin mo, if you jump into anything, you can actually, I mean, there are different factors in love. You would think na kailangan magkasundo lang kayo, but there's so many factors. There's family, there's work. Na sometimes if you try to rush something because you want it to happen so much, you end up sullying the notion of it. You end up actually parang self-sabotage in a way. Na sometimes when you're just in the moment and you're just experiencing things and really getting to know someone and really, building a relationship, I think it should be unrushed and you should be as present and as invested and as immersed in the moment.
Ako with love, I think love, I believe, dapat talaga hinihintay. Kasi we can choose anybody.
Mm-mm.
Pero hindi mo alam kung true love yun. Pwede tayo magmadali.
Mm-mm.
Pero not necessarily true love yun.
Para sa iyo
Bihira.
talaga.
Because yung like what you mentioned before na, bihira. They jump into a relationship not knowing where it will take or lead them, di ba?
Not saying it doesn't happen. Statistically, it will happen. And for those people,
Yung mga ganun na they jump into a relationship right away, hindi man nila alam or hindi sila sure na true love yun. But it works, di ba? They last a lifetime together. Bihira yung ganun eh. But ako, I believe true love, dapat hinihintay talaga siya. Hindi siya minamadali. And you shouldn't just jump into a relationship kahit hindi ka pa sure. Kasi syempre, alam natin, baka infatuation lang yun or what.
half found, half built. Parang
Diba?
ganun.
Definitely, importante talaga na hinihintay siya. Maghihintay for true love talaga. Para siguradong sigurado.
You can find love and you can fortify it.